Students, now we will do maths work. In maths, today we'll do page number 4. Okay. So, my dear student, first of all, I want to tell formation of all the numbers. Okay. As new students are also in our group, so they have to follow our formation. So, all students look carefully and observe how ma'am is writing. Okay, first of all, what is this is number 1. So here you have to write number 1. So keep your pencil on this dot and make a straight standing line. My dear students, listen, I am going to tell a main thing today. See, this is your room. ये आपका रूम है और आपको फ्लोर पे खड़े होके ऑब्जर्व करना है. इन द सेंटर ऑफ द रूम जब आप खड़े होंगे तो आपको अपने हाथों को फैलाना है राइट साइड में और लेफ्ट साइड में. एंड ऑब्जर्व, क्या आपके हैंड्स साइड की दीवारों पे टच हो रहे हैं? आप टच करके देखो. नहीं ना? देन यू ऑल्सो have to write carefully here that your numbers hand should not be touched on the side walls. Okay, and the another thing is when you are standing on the floor, जब आप फ्लोर पे खड़े होते हैं तो क्या किसी का हेड, आपका जो सर है, आपका जो हेड है, वो छत पे यानी कि रूफ पे टच होता है क्या? नहीं ना. इट विल create lot of problem if our head will touch on the roof. जब आपका हेड जो है रूफ पे टच होगा तो बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम होगी. हमारा बार बार सिर कहीं कहीं लगता रहेगा. सो सेम एज इट इज माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको अपने नंबर को भी रूम की रूफ पे टच नहीं करना है. ओके, सो ओनली एंड ओनली योर लेग शुड बी टच ऑन द फ्लोर. ओके, not the side of the wall and not on the roof of your room. Okay, so keep your pencil in center always. Okay, and make a standing line for number 1. This is number 1. Now we have to write number 2 like this. Okay, so my dear student, keep your pencil on this dot. This is your starting point. Okay, and put one dot here before writing. This dot only and only student will make, parents will not make this dot. Okay, now make a head. You can make one dot here also, so that you came to know that your head should be till here, not too much big. You cannot make two's head like this. This curve should be small. Okay, now come on this dot with the straight standing slanting line, and now finish it with slipping line. Slipping line should also be small. We should not go till here. Okay, this is number 2. Now we have to write number 3. So look carefully. First of all, we have to make a dot here. Okay, for slipping line. So first of all, make a small slipping line. It should be straight. Now we have to make a slanting line till center of this slipping line. In इस जैसा हमारा टीटर टाइगर का डॉट होता है ना बेटा, सो आपको first of all make a slipping line and go on this dot like this. Okay, now put one dot here. These all dots will make students, not parents will not make these dots. Now make a curve and go little bit up from the dot. This is number 3. Now we have to make number 4. So this is your starting point, my dear students. You don't have to start from here. You have to start from this dot and make a slanting line like this. I am going in slanting way. Now we have to stop here and make a slipping line like this and stop here. We should not touch this line. Okay, now keep your pencil here and make a straight small standing line like this. This is number 4. Now next one is number 5. So this is your starting point, my dear students. Again, like 3, first we have to make a slipping line. This slipping line will go in a forward way. This slipping line will go in backward way. Okay, पीछे की तरफ ये स्लिपिंग लाइन चलती है और ये आपका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट रहेगा. ठीक है. नाउ कम डाउन and now we have to make a curve and little bit go up from the dot. This is number 5. Now we have to make number 6. So first of all, make a dot on line. This dot will tell you again that you have to touch the bottom line. This is compulsory that you have to make every number till bottom line. आपको नीचे वाली लाइन पे टच ज़रूर करना है. So this is number 6, my dear students. Now next number will be number 7. So again this is starting point. आपको यहाँ से स्टार्ट नहीं करना है 7 को, डॉट से स्टार्ट करना है और आपकी स्लिपिंग लाइन बनेगी यहाँ तक. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक अ स्लिपिंग लाइन and now again like 3 we have to put a dot in the center of this slipping line. Okay, now come down in a slanting way. Okay, this is number 7. Now for number 8, what we have to do, put one dot on bottom line and one dot in center. Okay, now make a sun. First this curve, now go down with this curve and go little bit up like in 5, like in 3. Now go again in center in a with the curve. Okay, see this I have closed in center of this dot and now again curve and close it on starting point. Okay, this is number 8. Now for number 9, what we have to do for number 9, first keep your pencil on this starting point and make a circle. This circle should not be touched from left side of your room, of this box. Okay, now make a circle and finish it again on starting point and now make a straight standing line. This is number 9. We should touch to the bottom line. Okay, now number 10. This is 1 and this is 0. See, look carefully. Under the 9 always you should write 0 and this 1 should be under this T, means tens. Okay, so first we will write 1 under the tens. Here we will write 1 with the straight standing line till bottom line. Okay, and now for the 0 we'll again put a dot on bottom line and make oval shape 0. Okay, it should not be circle, it should be in oval shape. So my dear student, these both the lines of 1 to 10 is your homework. So do it carefully and I need neat and clean work today. Your formation should be same like ma'am. Okay, so all the best my dear students. Bye bye.